Eiffel, but we cannot see the atas. It's foggy. Good morning, everyone. So sorry for the late start of the vlog today, but as you can see, I am ready. So right now we parked our car there. We're just gonna leave it here sampai kita orang habis pusing for the whole day and then get back here at night, you know. So we're gonna explore Paris today. Sekarang dalam pukul 8.40 macam tu kot. Tiba-tiba keluar kita orang dekat kedai. Tada! Dah nampak dah Eiffel Tower. We saw a toilet and it's free lah. It's free. And it looks so interesting tau ni. There's drinkable water. So and then this is how it looks. Tengok ayah. Bye. Teruknya tai orang ni. Ew, that's so disgusting. Can you guys see the elevators going? Sekejap. Where is it? Tu. Oh,
And then there was one going up. Now it's at the top.
oh my god, bapak tinggi weh. Right now we are walking to the Eiffel Tower. I can literally see it here. And the tape is actually macam foggy. You can see it's covered by the the fog lah. See? Di atas sekali tu. So we are the non-ticket holders. This is for the ticket holders. This is our faces when we see Eiffel Tower. 1, 2, 3. So basically, if you wanna go in to the area Eiffel Tower ni, you need to go through this. Okay, all these lines see are crossing the security check. We passed the security check already. This is the prices kalau nak naik. So basically, there's 2 stages. This ataupun atas sekali. And yeah, you can see the harga here. Baby free ya. Macam tu. So that was the thing tadi, and then we're just walking. It's like Lalu Garden, Eiffel Tower access. Cantik the landscape. And then tada! Oh my god, I'm actually under the Eiffel Tower. I thought selama ni Eiffel Tower is just a building and then you can like roam freely around it. Rupanya tak. It's like a whole thing. That dekat bawah ni ada restaurant.
There's snacks.
There's snacks over there, souvenir shops. It's starting to rain a bit and look what's up there. Ta-da! We're not going up. We're just taking pictures around here. Wow! From this side, there's the Olympic punya ring. I don't know what's that called, honestly. Yeah.
Olympic rings.
It's super big, by the way. Ibu tanya saya, tak nak pegang kaki Eiffel Tower ke? It's so tinggi. Macam mana nak pegang? Oh, batu. Ingatkan besi.
Technically, this is also part of it.
Tada! Nampak? Saya nak pegang. Saya pernah berada di sini. Ami bought a pretzel.
Should we try it?
It costs €6.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice.
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Can I try?
Not much flavor.
I normally don't like pretzel, tapi
This one's like not the sweet kind, which is better.
roti kosong.
But it's good.
Yeah,
it's salted. This will for me.
Rasa saya suka.
But like,
1, 2, 3. Bye, Eiffel. We're gonna see it again, of course, tapi dari jauh. Okay, bye-bye. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go across the bridge and go to the famous hot chocolate place yang all over TikTok. It's giving Emily in Paris. Oh wow, Wow, so this is the bridge. Everyone like just takes picture here supaya diorang dapat the view of tengah-tengah Eiffel Tower. So I can try. Tada, we're crossing the Seine River. So dekat Seine River ni ada river cruise lah, ada bistro lah, I don't know. Look, people are lining up to take picture with the Olympic rings and the Eiffel Tower kind of view. Sumpah ni lah dekat mana I nampak orang macam recommend, you know, taking pictures with the Eiffel Tower from here. They're closing it, so we cannot go in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh ni, mesti yang beratur ni kan? Oh my god. Oh my god, the queue is so long. I do expect that we have to queue. But queue berapa lama tu yang macam takut sikit. So it's been 20 minutes of queuing and kita orang dah sampai depan. But then there's no table for 4 yet. Finally we're going in. I memang tak ada fikir, I memang nak ambil yang ni je.
Anak croissant simply makan ya. Oh dia ada 10 lah ni. Tengok tebal bapak ah.
Oh, comel. Wow, sedap. Macam Van Houten. Wah, ya Allah. Ayah makan croissant and ibu order the panas coklat and I eat my phone.
Pada awas pada waktu kalau 8, 9, 10, 11. Ready to go?
Tinggal banyak ni tadi and ada tambah air tapi ada tak boleh dah. It's so pekat. Bye carrot. So we're done with carrot now. My review, I think it was overpriced and overrated. Biasa je. Even the hot chocolate, it's sedap. Tapi macam tak tahulah. So now we're gonna naik metro. We're going to the Louvre Museum. So we're gonna naik metro and we're going down here. Let's go. It's my first time. We changed line. So right now we're going to naik this one and go to Louvre Museum. But we're not gonna masuk. We're just gonna be out. Uh-oh, yeah, go. Museum. Where is it? Mana? Mana? This? Oh, oh, wow! Oh my god! I can't believe I'm here! Wow! Oh my god, there's a lot of people. Oh my god, there's so many people. Ta-da! Can you guys see the line for the Louvre Museum starts there and it goes all the way. Ini macam pendek tau, tapi panjang lagi sampai sana. We took pictures already. Wow, the landscape is so cantik. This is a garden and I am curious what's inside. Looks like a maze or something. Wow. On a mission
To scare
Yeah.
our parents. They don't know we exited. They're over here. We're gonna upstairs. We're gonna scare them. Okay. Let's pretend to be like robbers and trying to take their bags. Okay. Lucky bears. Okay, okay. Lagi dekat. Alay mo, tata kecil. Over there, and then we took gambar there, and then we
Let's go. This is, I think, a part of the Jardin Tulares. Tulaka ya? I don't know how to pronounce it. Wow, cantik.
There's ducks in the fountain. Sini.
Kita nanti naik dari rem tu.
Tengok.
Cats, right dah aku dah sebut. There's duck.
Dia cakap cat.
Ya. Merenya.
Dia ingat dia boleh makan.
Hi guys. Right now what happened was it started to rain. So yeah, we're having a harder time to like jalan. And now we're heading to Champs Elysees. It's like a whole street that has a bunch of luxury brands. So we're just gonna walk there. We're at the Champs Elysees. Pretty. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty. Finally, we're here. So this whole place is Avenue Champs Elysees, and we're gonna walk through it until we sampai the hujung. See that? That is Arc de Triomphe. That's where we're going.
Banyak-banyak batang. Batang apa yang boleh mengikat? Yang boleh mengikat.
Batang kali. Batang kail. Batang tali.
Alah. Akun?
Akun.
Akun ya? Ami, akun ni?
Ya.
Batang si.
Batang si. Batang si. Batang si.
Batang bangunan tu.
I didn't.
Oh, ni Cat Tiger. Cantik betul ya kedai dia. There's Lululemon. Tada! Kita orang tu tak? Kita orang jalan dekat side yang tak banyak kedai. Sana banyak ya kedai. And ones that I actually would masuk is like kat belah sana. Kedai perfume Arab. Kan mesti saya Italian punya restaurant. I see familiar words. Ya ni, kat belah sini macam brand yang I tak tahu. Apa ni? Stadium. I don't know what's that. There's Longchamp here. Look at Elvis building. Wee! Oh my goodness. There's a whole bag. This is Louis Vuitton punya store. And look at the line. Korang ni semua kaya ramai gila. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Sampai Arc de Triomphe, but we cannot take proper pictures because it's raining. We're heading back to Trocadero, so we're gonna use Metro 6. Unfortunately, there's been a traffic suspension, so we just have to wait. Everybody just have to wait in the train. Moving now. We're back at Trocadero, so now we're gonna go makan. Oh my god, lapar gila. We haven't makan since the hot chocolate. This is where we're gonna eat. Mocha's Pizza. Dari Italy datang sini makan pizza lagi. Lighting.
Remind me of the umbrella here.
Put our umbrellas there. Okay.
Hello. Table for 4?
Inside?
Inside.
Wow, this place is cozy. Ooh, nice. This place is nice.
I thought it would be more softer, but then
See what they have. So Martha's Pizza, I got pizza inside that. Of course, the normal one is margarita, but I think I want this one. Caprese Pizza, mozzarella, tomato, basil. Tapi tak ada pomodoro sauce. I don't know, let's see this one. There's also 4 cheese pizza. Of course, you can get this one. So macam both ni tak boleh. There's pasta, beef tak boleh. Pasta al forno, gelato. There's a dolces. They have tiramisu cheesecake, creme brulee, coffee. Coffee, tiramisu, or panna cotta. Salad and food and hamburgers. Oh, lagi. Cocktails, fresh juice, beers. Obviously none of that. I don't know what to get out of there.
Sebelum adik buka, adik respon. Buka, tutup.
They're telling me I should go to the toilet because toilet kat sini cantik. So yeah, we're gonna go. Tapi I'm gonna pilih ni dulu. So they asked me to look at the toilet. So we're gonna look at the toilet, okay? Okay, jalan masuk pun macam-macam style. Who doesn't clean the toilet? God. Oh, what's this? Why do they have this? Oh my god. Wait, so this is a toilet? It's like this. push to open. Uy, kepala otak tau. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my god. Push red to lock, push green to unlock. So I'm gonna push red. Oh my god. That is so cool. Done, so we're gonna get out of here. Oh my god, that is so cool. That's so cool. So somebody just saw me recording and I want to laugh. This is my drink. This is called Bora Bora. Ada passion fruit lah, apa benda lah, aku tak tahu dah. Remember this time? Wow, very Ferrari. Sedapnya.
And the crust is big.
This is margarita. So lagi banyak cheese. And then mine is bufalina. So it uses bufala mozzarella. What's this?
Okay. Poke bowl. Salad bread.
Oh my god, gari bread nak Okay. We finished our meal already and kita orang encounter satu masalah di mana all of our power banks habis battery. So we're surviving on whatever percentage of battery we have now. And tadi kita orang dah pergi Carrefour to buy some stuff. And then right now we're going towards Eiffel Tower to see it sparkle. Hi Carrot, I don't know when I'm gonna see you again, but and now we're just under the bridge. That's Eiffel Tower over there. Ni Eiffel Tower. And then we're just down here. Kita berteduh dari hujan. Because we do want to wait for the Eiffel Tower to sparkle. And then baru balik rumah. This is the view.
Those poor pigeons.
7:46 p.m. and the Eiffel Tower is lit up, but we're still waiting for it to
Sparkle. Oh my.
We're just here at the other side of the road, of the bridge. It's literally 1 more minute. Oh my god.
1 more minute.
Everyone is waiting.
Adik helping them take a picture during the sparkling. This only happens 5 minutes every hour.
Oh no!
Oh, dah habis. Habis.
So we did get to enjoy the 5 minutes of sparkle. So whoever yang tak sempat, they have to wait for another 1 hour for the Eiffel Towers to sparkle for 5 minutes lagi.
So like at 9.
Yes, at 9. So we're done. Basically. We're done with you. We're done. Bye, Eiffel.
Alright, we can tell Ayah to pick us up now.
On our way back home, and look at all this. You can find all this macam orang jual the Eiffel Tower souvenirs, and we also bought some for ourselves. The Asian street food. No, there's nothing yang we can makan. 2 friend bricks. That's 750.
There
Yeah,
it is.
I saw him. Bye, Eiffel. Orang dari sini.
Wow, there's Microsoft headquarters.
Kami akan will be working here one day.
Oh,
Amin.
I'd rather Google.
30 p.m. and we dah sampai Airbnb. Sadaqallahul Azim. Tired sangat. My shoes is drenched, okay? My kaki macam raisin, macam kismis. It's super cool korang. Sumpah sejuk gila. Oh my god. Allah. We're at the Airbnb already and I'm gonna show you the souvenirs that we bought. Tak banyak pun. We actually tak plan nak beli, tapi nampak menarik. And then ibu macam cuba tanya berapa euro macam tu. So kita orang tanyalah for this one, the small sparkling Eiffel Tower. Dia cakap 6 euro. So kita orang macam dah tak interested. Lepas tu dia macam, oh, for you I give 5 euro. Bukan ni je, dia bagi 2 free keychain. So yeah, kita orang okay beli. And then Ani tahu tak dia ada 2 mode of sparkling. Satu,
Oh, yang kecil-kecil ni
2.
Tower tu.
Sekejap. Oh tak ada lah.
Wait, you said there was a second.
Yeah. Okay. Lepas tu for the kitchen, satu for me, another one
Tak tahu dah.
for Ami. Okay, that's all for the vlog today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Talking kotor.